Hi, welcome to my best refrigerators for home and restaurant review. Are you looking for the refrigerators for home and restaurant? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top refrigerators for home and restaurant. This video, we share top 5 refrigerators for home and restaurant on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. MCP-Distributions 4-door, 30.2 cubic feet. This 4-door, 2 doors on the left are for the freezer, 2 doors on the right are for the refrigerator. Commercial refrigerator, freezer combo unit comes with high-grade 304 stainless steel interior and exterior and 2 locking, 2 non-locking casters. This refrigerator can be used with the power 110V, 60Hz, and 500W. For the shelf loading capacity, it has 88 pounds, 6 shelves included, with the wide capacity of 30.2 cubic feet. No more worrying about how to keep your foods, fruits, vegetable, and ice cream fresh. This refrigerator is the best option for you. Number 4. Kenmore Elite 51,773 28 cubic feet. Get all the space you need with this Kenmore side-by-side refrigerator. With 28 cubic feet of capacity and features like the Space Saver ice system that has freed up to 30% more space in the already larger freezer compartment, you can be sure that you will have the room to stock up on items for the entire family. This unit also includes a premium water and ice dispensing system that allows you to create your own personal setting and keep refilling this preset amount with favorite fill. And enjoyed the beauty of hands-free water dispensing with measured fill, which dispenses water in your choice of ounces, cups or liters. Number 3. Kenmore Smart 75,043 24 cubic feet. This 24 cubic foot counter depth smart refrigerator is designed to fit your fresh and frozen favorites with 2 slide-away shelves and a compact water filter for additional refrigerator space. Genius Cool and multi-airflow technology maintain optimal temperature and humidity throughout the fridge and freezer, while the Clean Flow air filter works to remove odors and circulate fresh air. This refrigerator also includes an airtight crisper, which helps vegetables retain moisture and wait longer, compared to a standard crisper bin. This sleek, simple select dispenser features icons for water, cubed and crushed ice, plus a spacious area to fill any pitcher and water bottle with ease. Number 2. Kenmore Elite 79,043 24.1 cubic feet. The Kenmore Elite 24.1 cubic foot bottom freezer refrigerator is designed to give you plenty of versatile storage space to keep your foods fresher, longer. Stash snacks, tasty treats and delicious leftovers alongside fresh produce and household staples. Adjustable shelving door storage gives you plenty of food storage flexibility, even if you come home with way more groceries than you anticipated. Multi-airflow technology works to keep cool fresh air flowing throughout the fridge while the humidity-controlled crisper drawers keep producing crisp and bright. A full-width pantry drawer is perfect for pies, pizzas and party trays, while the adjustable glass shelves let you customize how you use the interior capacity of the fridge. Number 1. Kenmore 73,025 26.1 cubic feet. With the Kenmore 26.1 cubic feet French door refrigerator W/bottom freezer, not only are you getting an exceptionally well-made and reliable appliance, you're also getting an appliance that takes care of all of your family's food storage needs. You'll be amazed at the storage capacity of this large fridge. It's outfitted with everything from gallon-sized door bins that give you space for juice, milk and tall bottles to a full-width gourmet pantry drawer that's perfect for pizzas, platters, trays and more. With its easy care wipe clean exterior and interior tempered glass shelves, this French door refrigerator is a welcome addition to any kitchen space. You'll always have ice at the ready with a built-in ice maker.